What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a microphone or instrument to your Rock Party 9. So because we have two 1/4-inch inputs on the back of the speaker, the Rock Party 9 makes for a great live performance setup. So I have my dynamic microphone right here and my female XLR to 1/4-inch cable. This is really important. You don't want a female XLR to male XLR cable because you won't be able to plug it into the speaker. So just make sure you have the 1/4-inch end so you can connect it to the speaker. So I'm going to take the XLR end and plug that into my microphone. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug it into either of the 1/4-inch inputs, since you can use either or for your microphone or guitar. But for today, I'm just going to plug it into input 1. The next thing I'm going to want to do is go to the menu button here and click it until I get to the C menu. This is what we're going to use to adjust the volume of our microphone. So then I can use the volume wheel in the middle to set it higher or lower. And then if you want, you can press the menu button again till you get to the echo menu to give your voice some echo. So now if I talk into my microphone,
check 1, 2, you should be able to hear my voice coming through the speaker.
So with our free input left, we can set up either another microphone or an instrument like our guitar here. So for this, I want to make sure my 1/4-inch input here is an instrument cable. I'm going to take one end and plug it into my guitar. Then I'm going to plug the other end into the second 1/4-inch input on the back of my speaker. Now the volume that we set for our microphone will also set the volume for our guitar, but just in case, you can go into the menu setting until you get to the C menu and use that to adjust the volume of your guitar as well as your microphone. The echo that you set for your microphone will also come through your guitar as well. So now if I turn up the volume of my guitar and start to play, you'll hear the guitar coming through the speaker. So now I have my microphone and guitar set up at the same time, which would make for a great performance setup. Another thing to keep in mind is that the vocal auto correction will also come through your guitar, so you just want to be careful of that. Maybe turn it off altogether if you don't want your guitar to go out of tune while you're singing and playing. Another great addition to this setup would be your Bluetooth device, so you can look up any backing tracks to sing along to or play along to. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your microphone and instrument to your Rock Party 9. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time. Woo!